Ladies, if you are navigating menopause, you know the journey can feel like a roller coaster. Joint aches, brain fog, sleep disruptions, mood swings. Am I right? What if I told you that there is a soothing, natural ally found in essential oils that would make a difference in your life? Copaiba essential oil comes from the resin of the Copaiba tree in South America, and it's the star ingredient. Its star ingredient, beta-caryophyllene, doesn't get you high, but it activates your body's endocannabinoid system to safely help manage pain and inflammation. Let's break it down, and a few ways Copaiba can help during menopause. I know those joints and muscle pains that you are experiencing. I've had them before. But beta-caryophyllene in your Copaiba actually acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and pain blocker. And it helps to ease those achy joints or stiff muscles. It may soothe anxious feelings. I take a drop under my tongue every morning and every night before I go to bed, literally either like this, and it helps make me feel more grounded. It doesn't taste bad, I promise, during my mood swings or when racing thoughts hit. I thought I was coping with menopause. What I mean with that is the emotional ups and downs, and apparently my husband says I am not. So definitely my go-to oil at the moment. Some studies even suggest that Copaiba resin may help to protect brain health. That's the reason why I put it on my thumb and on the roof of my mouth. Something we all want at this point in time with our menopause, fog, and memory lags. I know you know that feeling, walking out of the room and then suddenly you have no freaking idea why you even walked out of the room in the first place. I get it. Topical relief is really amazing because if you mix 5 drops of your Copaiba with a carrier oil in a little roller bottle and you apply it to your achy areas, especially it's going to help for those sore joints or those hot flash tendons. Or alternatively, as I did now, take a drop of Copaiba on your thumb, onto the roof of the mouth or under the tongue every 4 hours. But always remember that you need to make sure that you are using your essential oils safely. And we only use essential oils that are 100% pure. Or I like to add a few drops into my nighttime serum that I've made, which basically contains all of my oils that I use on my skin. And I roll it onto my temples, onto my neck before my bed, even onto my neck. I apply it to my hands, I inhale it, and I also apply it to my wrist during the day to ease tension. Menopause isn't something you have to tough out alone. You have little natural tools that, like your Copaiba oil, that can be gentle allies. And if you're interested, I'll drop a link below to a safe recipe and share how I use it in my routine. Stay grounded, stay well. Drop your menopause struggles below. I've got you, I promise. Follow for more natural relief tips.